Hi, it's Darnell with Oat Bars Recipes, and today I'm going to be making some strawberry banana oat bars using the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. So let's get cooking right now. Alright, so going to be putting the ingredients one at a time into my food chopper here, starting with 1 cup of organic oats. These are whole oats. They are not like oatmeal. They're not like rolled oats. They're organic oats though. And just putting a cup of those in. If you wanted to use like oatmeal or rolled oats or something, I don't have guidance for you for that. So starting with those there. Okay, next ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of organic milk powder. And so just going to sprinkle that in. The next ingredient is 1 whole banana, so I'm going to be basically peeling this, putting it on in. Next ingredient is about a half a cup of strawberries there. It's actually 10 strawberries. They're not very big though, so it might be a cup of strawberries, being 10 strawberries there, but anyway, they're going in. The next ingredient will be a couple tablespoons of raw honey. Next ingredient is a half a teaspoon of sea salt, so sprinkling that on in, just kind of trying to even it out around there. And the final ingredient is 1/4 cup of water, and I'm only using a 1/4 cup because the strawberries have a good bit of moisture in them. Banana has some moisture in it, so just putting a little water in there, and Lord willing the oats will do their job soaking things up as they should, as far as soaking up all that moisture. So now I'm going to go ahead and basically get things chopped up. Not going to be like chopping it up to be super duper fine or anything like that. Just chopping it up so that things are like well mixed together. Alright, things have been well chopped up. Now what I have here is a 9-inch round ramekin, pretty large ramekin. And I'm going to spray it with some extra light olive oil to make things as non-stick as possible. Don't confuse extra light olive oil with extra virgin or regular olive oil. It's much different. Good for things like this. Alright, now I'm going to basically take the mixture and put it into the ramekin. So I'm just getting some that was, you know, splattered up to the lid of the food chopper. I'm going to get the blades out and just knock off what came off the blades. Now I'm going to take the rest of my chopped up mixture and just let that go on right on in. See if we can get it all out nice and easy. Alright. If I want to get every last bit out, you know. Don't want to lose any through the process. There we go. I think I got it all now. All that goodness. Okay. Now I'm just smoothing things out a bit in the ramekin just so that it's flat and smooth. So that's good. Alright, now in order to start the cook, I'm going to open up the Ninja Speedi. Take the crisper, or I think it's called like the crisper tray. Take that out. Put the ramekin in on the flat bottom. Alright, I'm just feeling it's not exactly touching the bottom. This particular, usually my 9-inch ramekins go, I think, to the bottom. I think they touch the bottom. But this one's not, or maybe they don't. But anyway, it's in there. It's just not flat on the bottom, and I guess that's okay. And I'm putting the crisper tray or rack or whatever you want to call it right there on top. I think I called it by the right name in the initial review. If you didn't see the initial review, be sure to check it out. That and tens of other countertop cooker reviews, plus hundreds of cook videos are here on the channel. So lots of different cookers with lots of different parts. Anyway, turning it on. Going down to the bake roast setting. Upping the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking time is going to be an even 20 minutes, and then we just hit start with that. We'll let things go ahead and cook, and I'll bring you back later. Alright, we let it go for the full 20 minutes. Now I'm opening up here. First thing to do is to get that crisper tray off, so getting that out. Alright, now I've got to carefully try and get the ramekin out. That's sometimes kind of tough, so I'm going to take this over to the side, get the ramekin out, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright, it seems the ramekin is stuck in the pot, so this is the finished product. I'm going to set it aside, let things all cool down, and I'll get the ramekin out of there after things have cooled down a bit. But I guess, you know, it fits, but barely, and sometimes I guess this issue might happen. So I'll bring you back after things have cooled down a bit, and Lord willing, I'll be able to get the ramekin out. Alright, so probably a little over 30 minutes later, things finally cooled down enough for me to more easily manipulate the ramekin out of the pot there. I will say, at times I have kept things in this Ninja Speedi, or kept it closed for like up to an hour. Come back an hour later, open up, it's still warm inside. I mean, that's how much it retains heat. And so we see our finished product here. Looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a spatula to get some out. I will mention, after this is refrigerated, it'll be much more firmer. It's going to probably be a little loose now, but it does get much firmer after spending some time in the fridge, and it's really firm. So, see if I can easily get a piece out. Don't want to disturb it too much. So here's our bar there, and it holds together some now. So it's still a little warm, just a little, and it'll be much more like bar firm, like I said, after it's refrigerated. But let's go ahead and do a taste test of this. So thank God for this strawberry banana oat bar, and let's go ahead and taste. Very, very tasty. Taste the strawberry, taste the banana. Tastes great. Gonna have some more. And so basically now you know how to do your own. I guess you could blend in whatever fruits or whatever you want to put in there yourself. Should all turn out good. But anyway, that's how it's done. And so nothing in this video is sponsored, nothing given. And based on the video description, there are lots of ways to help the channel, such as cookbook, merch, membership, donations. Link to the Amazon shop, pay the same price, help the channel. Also, you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Lots of recipes and such on superwaveovenrecipes.com. Now, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.